If you're interested in learning how to delete your Pinterest search history, this video is for you. In just a few simple steps, you'll learn how to clear your search history and start fresh. So whether you're wanting to keep your searches private or simply tidy up your account, this video will show you how to do it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. To get started, first open the Pinterest app and then make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on this magnifying glass icon at the bottom center of the screen. Once you are on this screen, simply tap on the search bar up top. And it will show you all of the recent searches that you have made on Pinterest. So in order to delete this, simply tap on this X icon at the right of the search term. So you do have to do this manually for each search that you do because there is no option to delete all of your search history with just one tap. So that's it for this video. It's quick and easy to delete Pinterest search history. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.